some more.
Welcome back to Project Builds. Today we are going to be working on the suspension of the Camaro. We're going to be pulling every bit of the front suspension out. I got to replace the ball joints and all the bushings, and I'm going to be having the help of Sierra and the occasional help of that little girl. So stay tuned and we'll get to work. We got her out. It's out. Now I'll get everything cleaned up. Once I get the other side out, we'll get it out, clean everything up. We'll start taking out the bushings, replacing everything with what I got over here. Sorry for the heater noise, probably a little loud. Shut it off so you guys can hear what I'm talking about. Excuse my daughter's tackle box here. These are the new bushings that are going to be going in. Got the urethanes. Both lower control arms are here.
Easy.
And I've got, these are for the rear track bar. Its bushings are gone. These are urethane as well. They're just black urethane instead of red, and they all come with the energy suspension grease that you put on them to keep them from squeaking. And I've also got the brand new lower ball joints. Well, there aren't any upper ball joints, but that's everything that's going to be going in. Now we get to do the other side. We'll have to clean up some of the stuff my kids like to just leave in my work area, as you can tell. But we'll get to work on this side. Alright, it's another day. We got everything out. We're going to start getting everything cleaned up before we start replacing all the bushings and ball joints and stuff. But this is what we got laid out. Fixing to get everything hooked up, and we'll get to cleaning. We'll be back. Alright, we're back in the shop. We got stuff in here dried off pretty good. Sorry for the that background noise. I got my heater going. It is cold today. Everything's down here, dried off. I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm gonna go ahead and press these ball joints out. I got went to the local parts store, rented all the ball joint service kit that I needed. So we're gonna use this, set it up here on the bench, and put it back in time lapse. Sierra wants to help work on this car every day that she can, so she's in here helping. We'll get to it. All right, well here it is. It's another day. It got late on us last night. Started to get dark. Still don't have the shop wires yet, so we're trying to work with the daylight. It's a lot nicer today. The sun's out, it's warm. So we did get all the bushings. New bushings are in, new ball joints are in. Sierra's going to work on sanding this down, getting it cleaned up so we can primer and paint them. And I'm going to work on getting these bushings out and the new ones in, and we'll do the same on this one. That's not good. Safety first.
Yeah.
So we'll get to it. I got a lot of this. Everything's done. New ball joints. First coat of primer. Getting all this cleaned up. Other one's laying down here. It's all done. I really don't care that I got paint on my bushings. You're not gonna see them. I ain't trying to show them off. I just want it cleaned up, not rusty. And get ready to start putting put them back in. We'll get them put back in. Then I'm gonna pull these apart. And get these apart so I can clean these spindles up, clean the crud off of them, get them primered up and painted too, so they don't look so bad. And then I gotta order my struts and my rotors and stuff, and clean the brake caliper up, clean up the rest of this. I gotta clean the shop again. So we'll get everything cleaned up and we'll get back to it and we'll see what we can get done. Alright, sorry everyone, I guess this is where I'm going to end this video for the day. As you can see in the video, I did get the all the suspensions pulled out, everything's replaced. Right now I'm just waiting on the rest of the parts to come in so I can finish putting it back together. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you like it, please hit the like button. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. You know, I got new content coming out as often as I can, so if you like it, let me know. If you want to leave some comments, give me some hints on how to do things better, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Gotta catch 'em all.